Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to find discount codes for Trendyol. Basically, the easiest way to do this is go to the actual website and then search. Well, first of all, going to choose your country. I'm just going to choose Croatia, and then you're just going to look for the deal section at the bottom. So over here you're just going to find the deal section and look for there. Or you can see there are items on sale and you can just buy those. Another way is to go on their official Instagram account, go there and keep attention for stories or anything like posts, and they usually post discount codes there. And the third option is to use third-party website like coupons.com. So third-party websites, and you just basically search for Trendyol and they should give you the options. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure you leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.